Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025. We're on Sutton Poultry Road. We're just looking for something interesting to video. Wayne Poultry Road. Wayne Farms. We got a little short video of a subdivision a while ago. I was looking for something to tag onto it. A lot of thistle out there. A lot of kudzu. Kudzu won't be blooming until August. Latham Family Farms. We should be crossing the Middle Oconee shortly. Or would this be the North Oconee? This may be the North Oconee. That, I don't think when we crossed a minute ago, that bridge 1963, I don't think it was. Let's see when this bridge was built. Probably the same thing, 63. Yep. 1963. This area is going industrial. These big warehouses, logistics centers. Nice little back road drive. It won't be for much longer though. Jackson County, north of I-85 or west, whatever you want to call it. Only 58% humidity. I don't know that I believe that. It feels a lot warmer than that. Well, humidity feels a lot higher. Well, the humidity makes it feel like the temperature is a lot higher. Walmart distribution center. Venable Industrial Parkway. We've been out there, and we've been down through here too. Extended test drive. We've been driving around today after putting the shift solenoids in it yesterday. It's done fine so far. Seems like there's a large track being developed up here on the right, from my memory. solenoid change, 3 shifts of solenoids, and a manifold pressure switch for this for this Ford L80E. I remember it being this far through here. And this is what? This is Holly Springs Road. Right at the freeway, I think. Oh, okay. I remember where that development was. Now, I think this is part of it, or either up a little bit further. But maybe this isn't part of it. I must have been thinking about a different place. This is an interesting intersection here. Over I-85, south is to our right, north is to our left. Back through here and cut back over to 129. I guess we'll take it back in. I think we may have wanted to go right there, but we'll be alright either way. Let's go ahead and turn it off though. This will be a wrap. This is, we'll talk about 5 minutes and something, and we'll get with what we're going to add to it in that subdivision. What are y'all doing down here? Jackson County, must be a bunch of inspectors down here inspecting something. Got sewer going in. Development. We're going to pull over and let this thing by, or these people by. This may dead end up here. We may have to go back and go. I don't know where we're going. Those trucks strictly enforced. Well, I don't guess we have to go back. Got them off our tail anyway. This must be a little residential area. They don't want these trucks coming through from this industrial. Once this stuff develops, you got sewer over there to the right. Once this stuff develops, you'll have trucks coming through here. It's not going to be that long either. You got fiber optic there on the left. Yellow right there. Is that yellow? No, that's orange. Jefferson and Commerce. Two horses side by side facing opposite directions. That's interesting. Jet Roberts Road is what we're on. Yeah, no, I said we were going to cut it off. But this is a nice Georgia back road. We'll leave it running, I guess. We got what? 1, 2, 3 houses. About to go in, slab houses. Sawmill? We have. We have. Now we know where we have a sawmill local. We might be able to get some rough sawn pine. Even be able to get some 1.5, 2-inch oak or cedar, maybe some live edge stuff. Jefferson? Lakeshore Woods. All these subdivisions look older. Well, we got 2 coming up on us. Coming up, I bet we're going to come up to 129. Yep. No, what is that? Yeah, that's real estate. BJ's Food, that was Bell's. Okay, I know where we're at. 85's to the right. This is old 129 or business 129. Before the bypass. gun store. Chicken wings would be good tonight, wouldn't they? +8 acre estate lots. Where is that at? Well, we've got Jefferson video. We'll go ahead and turn this one off now.